Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the change where the home layout lives. Long press any empty space on your Oneplus home screen, then tap Home Settings. Look immediately for a search bar or Show Google option. That's the control you want. If you see it, toggle it off to remove the Google bar. Once done, the bar often disappears instantly. If there's no toggle, don't stop. The next slide shows the alternative removal steps that work across Oxygen OS versions. If the home settings route wasn't available, long press the Google search bar itself and drag it to remove or uninstall, which is often supported. If that fails, open the Google app, tap More, then Settings, General, and turn off Discover. This stops feed-related elements on home screens. As a last resort, go to Settings, Apps, Google, and either disable the app or uninstall updates to revert to a basic state. Make sure you understand disabling Google Effects, Assistant, and other integrations. Finish by rebooting your Oneplus to ensure changes take effect. That often clears cached home elements. If the bar still appears, go to Settings, Apps, find your launcher or home app, clear cache or storage, and reopen the home screen. This resets layout settings. As a fallback, install a third-party launcher and set it as default to bypass the system home behavior. Quick troubleshooting tip: if removal breaks features, re-enable the Google app or toggle back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.